Welcome to CBSE Science Experiments. Today we are going to discuss about the formation of H2SO3, that is sulphurous acid. So here sulfur will be burned and what the production will be produced, that is sulfur dioxide, and that sulfur dioxide will react with water to form sulphurous acid. Let's do the experiment. I have taken some sulfur, that is yellow in color. From here I have taken some sulfur powder. You can see the yellow color. Now we shall burn it. Okay, so let's burn. Before that, this is a blue litmus paper. We have to wet it with the help of water, and then we have to keep here. Let's start burning. Yes. Yes, now you can see the color has been changed. See the color. Just a minute. See that the blue litmus turned into red. This means that already sulphurous acid has formed and the color has been changed of the blue litmus paper into red. So today up to this much. Thank you.